video, we are doing a JoJo Siwa cake, and I'm gonna actually get into a little story time as to how I even came across making my daughter's cake. So if you guys want to stick around to listen and watch, make sure to stick around and also give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know I sound a little hoarse and I look like crap, but it's because I've been battling a cold and it just would not go away. Like, at least I'm not stuffed up, but my voice still has not, come back to normal. So I've been sounding really hoarse, like I lost my voice. But let's actually get into the video. And if you guys don't want to listen to the story, you guys can skip ahead probably like a couple minutes and you'll run into the video. Alright, so let's actually get started. Alright guys, so pretty much I decided to make my daughter's birthday cake because I was gonna hire someone who has made cakes in the past for me. But when I showed her the picture, which is this, I got quoted $250. Mind you, the cake was only gonna be enough for about 30, like between 30 to 40 people. Because, I didn't want to get a lot of cake just because I had cupcakes as well. And, I was thinking you can use actually an 8-inch with a 6-inch. And those are actually two pretty small pans. And I was so shocked that I was told $250. And I said, all right, what about without the decorations? I'll just do it myself. $200. Guys. So I was like, like fine. So I sent her on Zelle $200. I mean, sorry, not $200. I sent her $100. So 30 days before the cake was gonna be due, I decided I'm gonna make it and just make a video of it. So I reached out to her 30 days before the cake was due. And I said, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cancel. I'm so sorry. This was probably like around 11-ish, maybe 12-ish in the afternoon. And I didn't get a reply back till late in the day where I don't remember exactly what she wrote, but she was like, oh, that she was sorry to hear that. And then she tells me she's gonna keep half of my deposit. What? Like, are you serious? Like, guys, first of all, we didn't even talk about cake flavors. Like, it was a cake with freaking frosting. Like, what money did she spend on a cake with frosting that we didn't even discuss on? I was so freaking livid. She robbed me out of $50. I was so upset. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was pissed at the fact that, she kept $50. Because that $100 was gonna go towards my daughter's camp. And, I was really salty about that. So, and then I get a response about, it's nothing personal, it's business. Bruh. Like, I would never say that to my clients. Ever. Like, my clients take me very serious. But they, they respect me. And I also respect them. Because at the end of the day, these clients are the ones that are going to continue making me money. Because I have clients with me since day one when I started. And they refer people to me. So that brings even more money to me. You know what I mean? So that really pissed me off. Because it's like, now I never want to do business with this person again. And I'm never going to refer anyone. So all my mommy friends whose kids are having birthdays coming up, I'm not going to be like, hey, you should go to this person. Because I would have done that. But instead, I would never refer her to anyone. Even one of my mom friends was like, oh, now that you told me that, I would never go to that person just because of what they did to you. And I'm like, exactly. When you're a small business owner, like, I'm a licensed business owner, but I'm very small and I work from home. And, when you're that type of person, like business, you have to build. Like, sometimes you have to kiss people's ass, to make money. Because, at the end of the day, these people pay your bills. And that's what I guess people don't understand, the importance of that. because referrals are important, because it's not like, it's one thing when people on social media follow you and they be like, hey, can you do this business for me, whatever. That's one thing, but referrals are really what gets business flowing, because everyone has a friend who's gonna need your services. So it just really bothered me, and everyone I spoke to, my family, friends, they were shocked, truly shocked, because even bakers that I'm in a baking group on Facebook, and even them, they agreed if it was 30 days that they wouldn't have a problem refunding the full amount, because shit happens. And it's 30 days. I'm pretty sure you can book somebody in 30 days. I could book somebody in 30 days, but it is what it is. Like my boyfriend said, now lesson learned, just don't do business again. And when I told him who it was, he was even shocked himself. He was like, no way, that person really did that to you? And I'm like, that's what they said. It's nothing personal, it's business. But I would never do that again. People are different. I could get a cake frosted like that at Walmart or freaking ShopRite for definitely half the price, So it is what it is. But it made for a video, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I made it. And under $50, guys. It literally cost me under $50. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure to stick around into this video, because we're about to get started. So let's go. So guys, I picked up this cake. It literally cost me only 99 cents for each box. So I got funfetti and chocolate. Also, you're going to need some cake pans. I got an 8-inch. And I also have a 6-inch. Then, of course, my Wilton icing. Guys, this costs about $13 and change on Amazon. So get that Prime. These sprinkles, I love them. They have little stars and they're super cute. These only cost me less than $3 at ShopRite. Then, of course, fondant. You might need more fondant depending on how many decorations. This only cost me about $3.99. And then chocolate. I only use a pink chocolate. Yellow was more for the Oreos. And they only cost me about $3, $2-3 a bag. Then you're going to need a pizza cutter, which I use for fondant. And then, of course, lollipop sticks. But again, I didn't really use a lot of this stuff. You're going to need some sticks, and these are going to go in the center of the cake so that way the cake does not fall, because cake can be pretty heavy. Then, of course, a 6-inch cake board. And then I got this, which is a 10-inch cake board. This only cost me about, I think, $5.99 at Michael's. And I like these because they are thick. So this was the base of my cake. Also, you're going to need a cookie cutter, a round cookie cutter. You're going to need some, also a heart or star fondant cutters. I didn't use those again. Some printables. They're not edible, but I'll link down the website of what I use. And then this one, I just cut it into a number 6. So let's get started. today's video for today. Again, I'm not a professional, but as you guys can see, I presented a beautiful cake, and also everyone commented, like all my guests that came to the birthday party were so impressed the fact that I made it. Like, it's crazy, and they love the way it tastes. Guys, you can make box cake taste really good if you bake it correctly and if you fill it right. And I'm telling you, the Wilton buttercream frosting is a winner. I don't know if they make a chocolate version. I'm not really sure, but well, they do. I think, no, I don't know. But anyways, you know, you can color. They have like straight up white frosting that you color, as you guys can see. And I'm telling you guys, like, everything was pretty much Wilton products except for the sprinkles. And everyone loved it. My daughter especially was so happy, and she was just full of smiles that her mom, May, made this. And you know, it's amazing. Like, everyone's like, man, you're like Superwoman, because you have a business, you make cakes and all this stuff, you do YouTube, you have 2 kids, you have a household to maintain, and you got your own pets to deal with. Yes, you guys don't realize how hard I work. I work so hard. So, you know, I just love that it pays off. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy the rest of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get this subscriber count up so I can do another giveaway, because I'm dying to do another giveaway. I want to give away my Michael Kors bag. So please, you know, it's tucked away safely inside of a bag. So please, let's get to 1K, because I'm already getting there with my views. So thank you guys so much for that. People actually like watching my videos. So until our next one, bye guys.